Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you, and welcome to the final explainer in this showcase series. We're going to finish by exporting the gallery to a Meta Quest headset. This process should work for any headset in the Quest series. This is a recap explainer. For full step-by-step instructions, see the VR Explainer series. I've opened the latest version of my gallery. I need to install the free Oculus integration asset from the Asset Store, and also the free XR plugin management Unity asset. To set the project up for VR use, in Project Settings, I'll select Oculus. Next, I'll import the paid VRIF asset and move the virtual player controller so our gallery visitor starts their journey here. Next, go to File, Build Settings. Ensure the correct gallery scene is selected here and switch the platform to Android like this. This can take a few minutes and is a one-time process for the project. Check your VR headset is connected by selecting it here in the Run Device field. If you don't see it listed, you may need to enable developer mode. See the website for more information, and remember, all these steps are covered in full as part of our VR Explainer series. Click Build and Run. Set the file name for the Android package to send to the headset. The package is being built and then copied to the headset. And here I am exploring my gallery in a life-size virtual environment. I'll go on to improve it by tweaking the lighting and my existing installations. For now though, I think I'll just spend some time in Arcade Corner. That's it for this showcase project. We hope you've enjoyed setting up your gallery and perhaps even exploring it in VR. We look forward to seeing your creations.
Pixels.cool.